Hey everyone, Kevin from mechanicalvantage.com. Gonna work on a little project today where we're gonna upgrade the lights in the garage. So this is what it looks like in here right now. Those are the only two bulbs that I have, and as you can see with the garage door shut and the bulbs on, it's super dark in here. So I'll listen a little bit and do a little deeper description of the lights that we're putting up. But we're gonna put up some LED lights. 6 of them are gonna go on the garage ceiling, and it should get significantly brighter in here. All right, we're finished with the light installation project, and hopefully you can tell there's a significant difference in here. What we ended up doing is putting up 2 rows of 3 lights, one on the left-hand side and one on the right-hand side. And the way that we did it is we butted these together one into the other, so there's no external connectors. And so it kind of looks like it's one solid light fixture. Now, I'm pretty happy with how bright it is in here, really, but I am gonna add another row down the center between these lights. And I'm also going to extend each row by 1 light, so it'll be 4 in each row. So currently there's 6 in here, and pretty soon there will be 12 when the next set of 6 come. So the lights that I used are called Barina. So there's the brand that we were using. And in this kit, it works pretty well. It comes with 3 things. It comes with this little pigtail that you can wire into your electrical system. These are the little connectors that we use, so it butts into each end of the light, and then you just put them flush together. They also supply this connector that you can use. So I did think about using these, but I thought this look that we did is cleaner. So you can see that there's 2 ends here that plug into each side of the light. Let me move this out of here and make it a little clearer to see. That plug in each end of the light, and that way you can get some separation between the lights. And then the final thing that they give you is this. So this would be how you'd power on your light strips. You could just connect them to a electrical plug-in, and then you have the power button. This would be great for people who aren't really handy with electricity. And to be honest, if it wasn't for my brother coming up and being pretty handy with doing this kind of wiring and stuff, this would have been a better option for somebody like me. But my brother was able to come up and help me with it. So what we had to do is we cut little, put little boxes into the ceiling and wired into the main power supply, so that when I turn the lights on inside of the house, the lights in the garage come on. We had a few little minor hiccups that we had to deal with. There you can see this white piece of sheetrock that was up there. To access the attic, there's a set of stairs that go above the machine. And so it interfered with the lights, and it also doesn't work real well with the location where the machine is at. So we took that down. I haven't relocated it back up anywhere yet. I'm gonna wait until I figure out exactly the final placement of the machine and get it all wired in before we worry about putting that back up in the attic. So by adding 1 more row of lights here to the end, I think it's gonna greatly improve the lighting situation even more, plus the center one that I'm gonna do. And it's still gonna allow me to use the underside of the garage door to hang totes and rails. So helping me with the storage inside here. Overall, I couldn't be any happier with how this lighting project came along. I don't think it shows up as well on the camera as it does in real life, but it is completely light enough just the way it is to work in here. I just want to try to make it a little bit better than it is right now. So hopefully you guys like this. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching. I almost forgot to give you a little bit more information about the lights from Amazon. So I'll put a link down in the comments for this as well. But here are the lights that I bought. You can see that they ran me a total of $119.99. It comes with 6 lights and everything you need to mount these. I was surprised by how incredibly light these lights are. All 6 of these show up in a pretty small little box, and when you pick up the box, it's almost like there isn't anything in there. They all come individually wrapped in their own piece of cardboard you have to take out, and then they have all the mounting kits that you'll need, so the different options that you have. And then they include the clips. There you can see what we use. We use the clips for 2 clips for each light.
We use the connectors that let them butt together, and then we just screw them directly into the studs, and we use a little pigtail to wire it directly into the main electrical line of the garage up there. So pretty easy to do once the wiring was tied in. Mounting the lights couldn't be any easier. The only issue that we maybe ran into was you have to be really exact that the lights line up. So we picked a line on the sheetrock and went 12 inches, and one time we went like 12 and an eighth, and it didn't really line up. So I had to do a little repair on that to make it go. But these lights, I can't stress how incredibly light they are. Not that that really matters, but I think you could. And of course, I wouldn't recommend this. I'm kidding when I say this, but you could almost put these things up with double stick tape. Just stick them right to your ceiling. They're so light. They provide a lot of good light. Everything worked pretty well. Attaching the little connectors between the two lights was a little more difficult than I thought it would be. It wasn't bad. It just wasn't a super easy, smooth process, but not really any trouble to worry about at all. So again, overall, I'm happy enough with these that I bought another 6, and I'm gonna have 12 lights out there, and that garage should be pretty lit when it's all done. So hopefully you guys found this useful. I wouldn't hesitate to recommend these lights at all. I'm really happy with the output that they gave. The price I thought was pretty reasonable for these. The way that they look, everything about these was pretty nice. So if you have any questions, leave them below in the comments. And as always, thanks for watching.